Grilling is a beloved tradition for many, whether it's a summer barbecue with friends or a cozy indoor dinner on a rainy day. This George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Grill promises to bring the joy of grilling to your home, regardless of the weather or location. With its impressive capacity, versatile design, and user-friendly features, this grill aims to be a staple in your cooking arsenal. Let's explore why the George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Grill might be the perfect addition to your kitchen and patio. One of the standout features of the George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Grill is its versatility. The grill is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it adaptable to any situation. Whether you're hosting a summer barbecue or cooking dinner on a rainy night, this grill has you covered. The removable stand allows you to easily transition from outdoor grilling on the patio to indoor cooking on the countertop. This flexibility ensures you can enjoy grilled meals year-round, without being restricted by the weather. The George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Grill boasts a generous 240 square inches of circular grilling surface, which can accommodate over 15 servings at once. This ample space makes it perfect for cooking for large groups, whether it's a family gathering or a tailgate party. The large surface area allows you to grill a variety of foods simultaneously, from meats and veggies to kabobs and desserts. This means you can cater to different tastes and preferences without the need for multiple cooking sessions. The grill operates on a fully electric system, which eliminates the need for charcoal, propane, and the associated flare-ups. This feature is particularly advantageous for apartment dwellers, as it provides high-quality grilling without the smoke and fire hazards of traditional grills. The electric system ensures consistent heat distribution, resulting in evenly cooked food every time. Plus, it's apartment-approved, meaning you can use it indoors without any concerns. Achieving the perfect grilling temperature is crucial for cooking different types of food to perfection. The George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Grill comes equipped with an adjustable temperature control that offers 5 heat settings. This feature allows you to fine-tune the heat to suit various recipes, ensuring optimal results every time. Whether you need a high heat for searing steaks or a lower setting for delicate fish, the temperature probe makes it easy to get it just right. Cleaning up after grilling can be a daunting task, but the George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Grill makes it hassle-free with its durable non-stick coating. The George Tough non-stick coating ensures that food doesn't stick to the grill plate, allowing for easy food release and simple cleanup. A quick wipe down with a damp cloth is usually all that's needed to keep the grill looking pristine. This non-stick surface also eliminates the need for butter or oil, promoting healthier cooking. Health-conscious grillers will appreciate the unique sloped grilling surface of the George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Grill. This design helps drain excess fat away from the food, reducing the fat content by up to 42%. The slope directs the grease into a removable drip tray, making it easy to discard. This feature not only results in cleaner, healthier meals, but also enhances the flavor by allowing the food to grill in its natural juices. The George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Grill is designed with user convenience in mind. The cool touch handles ensure safe handling, while the lightweight construction makes it easy to move around. The grill's compact size takes up minimal space, making it suitable for small kitchens, patios, or even for taking on road trips. The removable stand adds to its portability, allowing you to set up and grill wherever you please. Users of the George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Grill have praised its versatility, ease of use, and consistent performance. Many appreciate the ability to grill indoors without smoke or flare-ups, making it perfect for apartment living. The adjustable temperature control and non-stick surface are also highlighted as standout features that enhance the overall grilling experience. Health-conscious customers particularly love the fat-removing slope, which helps them prepare healthier meals without sacrificing taste. Conclusion: the George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Grill is a versatile and powerful grilling solution that offers a range of features to enhance your cooking experience. Its large cooking surface, adjustable temperature control, and easy-to-clean design make it a practical choice for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're a seasoned grilling pro or just starting, this grill provides the convenience, performance, and versatility you need to prepare delicious meals for family and friends. Investing in the George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Grill means embracing the joy of versatile, hassle-free grilling. Its thoughtful design and robust features ensure that you can enjoy perfectly grilled meals anytime, anywhere. Don't wait, experience the benefits of this remarkable grill and elevate your cooking game today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.